My name is Kent Chandler. I'm chairman of the Kentucky Public Service Commission. Will be presiding over the hearing today. Today's hearings are for the purpose of hearing evidence in cases where the Public Service Commission's Division of Inspections has issued civil penalty assessments against individuals and business entities based on violations of the Kentucky Underground Facility Damage Prevention Act. The Public Service Commission has been authorized by KRS 367.4917 sub 6 to enforce and assess civil penalties provided for in the Act and to seek injunctive relief for any violation that results in damage to an underground facility used to transport gas or hazardous liquid subject to the federal pipeline safety laws, 49 U.S.C. Chapter 601. This morning, we're here for the purpose of holding a hearing on the following case. Case number 2023-00167 in the matter of Alexander and Son General Contracting, LLC. All right. Alexander and Son General Contracting, LLC. The commission previously found prima facie evidence existed that the entity violated the Underground Facility Damage Prevention Act, and specifically provision KRS 367.4911 1A, that each excavator or person responsible for an excavation, planning excavation, or demolition work shall, not less than 2 full working days, nor more than 10 full working days prior to commencing work, notify each affected operator of the excavator's intended work and work schedule. Contacting the applicable protection notification centers shall satisfy this requirement. We indicated in our opening order that participation in this hearing would be through a virtual and be through GoToMeeting. As of the start of this hearing, no one was available on that service, and therefore Alexander and Son General Contracting, LLC is not present. Before we move on, we'll take an entry of appearance of counsel for commission staff.
Jessica Norris Canfield with Division of Inspections.
Michael Crum, Office of General Counsel.
Okay. Given the failure for Alexander and Son General Contracting, LLC, does commission staff have anything they'd like to be heard on in this case?
No, Mr. Chairman. Staff would move for default judgment in this case.
Okay. I would ask staff to file a motion for default judgment, and then also request, given what was included in the opening order of this case, which the party did receive, we have evidence of service in the record, that you also tender a proposed order for the commission's consideration in adjudicating this case. I would note at the outset that although I'm presiding on my own, that Commissioner Regan and Vice Chair Hatton of the Public Service Commission will also be participating in the decision and deliberations in this case. So we will take your motion under consideration once it's filed into the record and review the tendered proposed order. Is there anything else that we need to take up this morning?
No, there's not.
Okay. All right. Given that there is nothing else, this hearing is adjourned.